All right, now that we have our fish tape pulled through, we're gonna take our HDMIs, 2 HDMIs and Romax, and pull it up the wall. All right, now that we got our wires pulled up the wall, we're going to separate them out. We're going to take one over to the power outlet, like that, and then pull a little slack for our connections to make it all the way to the TV. And this is where we're going to take our wire strippers. We're going to strip this Romax back. We're using a 14.2, which is what the home was built with. This will keep the home code compliant, as well as make sure our insurance doesn't have any issues if there were a problem down the road. All right, the next part is going to be putting in the back box. Just pop out one of the holes. And insert the wire into the box, like that. And then you can screw the box in. And make your connections on your outlet. You got silver, gold and green, neutral, hot, and ground. They line right up. Push your wires back in. The most important thing is you make sure that that ground doesn't touch any of the terminals on the back, or you'll get a short. You just screw your outlet in. Like that. And the last part of this is the wall plate, which makes it look pretty. Wall plate goes over just like that. And then we have our low voltage pass box. I'm going to take the retro ring for the back and insert it into the wall. Make sure it doesn't grab your wires. Center it up so both outlets are nice and level, so it looks like it was put in by the builder. And take our HDMI cables, fish them through the pass box, and then put our screws in. Now it looks like the home was pre-wired like this, like a lot of them are in the area. This particular one wasn't, which is why we're doing it. So down here at the bottom of the wall, the next thing we need to do is make our connections to the outlet itself. which what I'm gonna do is go on the other side and pop off that outlet and then run the Romex into the receptacle and tie them together. All right, so here's the other side of the wall where we have the receptacle that we're gonna tap off of. I'm gonna take the wall plate off. Looks like there's some silicone that's kind of blocking me here. And then I'm gonna pop my outlet out. Greasing on the other side there. I'm removing one of these back punch outs so that the wire can come through. All right, can you send it through right here? The bottom one, closest to me. Easier from the top? Oh yeah, perfect. So he's sending me the wire straight through like that. And now I'm just going to take the line and strip it back. Cut my shielding off and then strip back my wiring. Luckily on this one, the outlet is not full, so I can just tie right in. And what we're gonna do is take the black to black like that, and then my white to white, hot to hot, neutral to neutral, and then last but not least, all my grounds together like this, which I need a wire nut for, so I'll pause the video. All right, and we're back. So we're gonna take our ground wires like this, and we're gonna twist them all together. It's very important that the unit be grounded. And you can cut the excess off like that. And then you put your barrel on there. If you look, we have our hot and our neutral going straight into this outlet, and then we have our ground. And then I'm just gonna put this back, and when I do so, I'm gonna make sure that none of the wires touch the back of my terminals so we don't get a short. And then our outlet cover. Once that's screwed back down, it's like we were never here. And I just got to go back and put the bottom wall plate on over there and test my outlet. I'll get it hung up on the wall. So this is one other tool that's required that I did not have in the introduction. This is just a general commercial electric outlet tester. We're gonna plug that in, and then I'm gonna go turn the power on. All right, and steady, power on. And we're done out here. And green means go. We're good to go on this outlet. You can see it has the different readings as to what is correct and what is not. And then we'll check the office as well. Good to go. And you guys can see Grayson's putting that bottom datacom pass-through on for our HDMIs down below. Last thing to do is just put it up on the wall. And I almost forgot one other piece is a surge protector. This isn't necessarily required, but it's highly recommended This is just a little $30 single outlet surge protector, which is perfect for TVs. And it just plugs right in like this. We're going to take the screws off the base of the TV. Once it's loose, the TV will pull right off. And we're just going to plug in our HDMI cables here on the side. That, and then our power cable. Which will plug into our surge protector. Last but not least, we need to put our lock rod in. This secures the TV to the wall to make sure that you can't push up on it and knock it off. Once that's in, we'll check level. Which we are right on the money. All right, guys, well, we finished this installation off and everything turned out absolutely beautiful. This is a pretty standard installation for us: power outlet relocation, wire concealment, TV mounting. We do carry all of the cables on our truck, as well as mounts, surge protectors, and anything needed to complete the installation. We also do sell TVs. I'm new to YouTube, so I'm just trying to post content that I think will be valuable for you guys. If you have suggestions or have questions or would like to schedule installation, give us a call, shoot us an email. Make sure to subscribe down below. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching.